Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Okay. Gent fire alarm system conventional panel. Basic tutorial how the function is to disable and enable device and disable sounder. To access the panel controls, press shift 1, 2, 3. So we can read this access function. To disable the zone 1, shift 1, 1. Now disable the zone 1. If you disable zone 2, you shift press 1, 2. But this one, there's no zone 2. If you enable, shift 2, 1, the zone 1. Now already enabled. If you disable sounder, shift 1, 0. Sounder disable, shift 1, 0. If you enable the sounder or bell, shift 2, 0. Now enable sounder. So I repeat, if you disable zone 1, shift 1, 1. If you enable, shift 2, 1. When enable sounder, shift 1, 0. Now disable. If you enable, shift 2, 0. Okay? Done. Conventional Gent fire alarm system. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.